Absolutely. Here's a detailed 1500-word YouTube video script about the Honda City facelift review, covering performance and price reviews across various countries, and tied together in a conversational, engaging style you can use verbatim in your video. I've written it without headings as requested, and designed it to flow naturally like a host talking to the audience. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving deep into the much-anticipated Honda City facelift, a car that has been creating buzz across multiple markets around the world. We're going to talk about what's new in the facelift, how it performs, and how much it costs in different countries. If you are in the market for a reliable sedan that blends comfort, practicality, and modern tech, stick around because this video has got you covered from every angle. Let's start with the big picture. Honda has refreshed the City for the 2025 model year, and this facelift brings meaningful updates beyond cosmetic tweaks. You are getting a revised exterior design that looks sharper and more modern, with updated grille styling, refreshed bumpers, and new alloy wheels that give the City a more assertive road presence compared to the outgoing model. Inside, Honda has added upgraded interior tech and enhanced safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems that weren't available before. These features bring the City closer to what you'd expect from more premium sedans, giving buyers more bang for their buck. Now let's talk performance, because that's really what excites most of us. Underneath the hood, the facelift continues with the 1.5-liter petrol engine that Honda is known for. In most markets, this naturally aspirated engine produces around 121 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. It's paired with a smooth CVT automatic transmission that makes city driving effortless and refined. This powertrain might not set any speed records, but it's tuned for everyday usability, strong low-end torque for urban environments, reliable highway cruising, and excellent fuel efficiency. Ride quality has been tuned to be forgiving over rough roads and stable at highway speeds, making the City a great choice for long commutes or weekend road trips. In some countries, especially where hybrid tech is gaining traction, Honda even offers an e-HEV hybrid version. This hybrid system combines a petrol engine with electric motors that give smoother acceleration, better mileage, and a quieter driving experience. It's a significant step up in efficiency, particularly in urban traffic and stop-and-go conditions. The hybrid version's instant torque delivery and seamless power transitions can make city driving feel more responsive than the regular petrol version. Across different markets, the Honda City facelift has been tailored in subtle ways to suit local preferences. In Southeast Asia, for example, including countries like Thailand and the Philippines, the facelift City brings refined suspension tuning for more comfort on diverse road conditions and adds Honda sensing safety technology across higher trim levels as standard, something that's increasingly becoming a key selling point in this segment. Now let's get into prices, because that's one of the most essential factors any buyer looks at. Starting with Pakistan, where the Honda City is hugely popular among families and daily commuters, the current City prices before the full facelift release range roughly from 4.7 million Pakistani rupees for the base 1.2-liter CVT version to about 6.14 million Pakistani rupees for the top 1.5-liter Aspire S CVT variant. These prices are ex-factory and don't include additional taxes, documentation, or on-road costs, so actual retail prices can be slightly higher. Even so, the City remains one of the most competitive offerings in the segment in Pakistan, balancing features and reliability with a price point that feels solid for its segment. Switching focus to India, the Honda City has a different pricing landscape due to GST reforms and local market competition. After recent tax changes in India, Honda City prices have been adjusted to be more affordable, with significant reductions implemented to make the car more attractive ahead of year-end sales. While exact figures vary by trim and region, the facelift petrol City typically starts around a competitive range in the mid-11 lakh rupees bracket in India, with hybrid versions priced substantially higher. The hybrid e-HEV variant, for example, can be close to 19 lakh rupees or more, reflecting the added cost of advanced hybrid tech. These price adjustments make the City an even stronger contender against rivals, especially for buyers looking for a premium feel without a premium price tag. In the Philippines, the Honda City has been positioned as a practical yet feature-rich entry-level sedan. It's available with multiple trims ranging from the basic S to the sportier RS grades, and prices tend to fall in an accessible range for Filipino buyers. Power comes from the familiar 1.5-liter DOHC motor producing about 119 horsepower and 145 Nm torque, mated to a CVT for most trims. Honda also recently broadened tech inclusions like Honda Sensing on many variants, a huge win for safety standards in the market. Moving over to Thailand and other ASEAN markets, pricing and specification levels change slightly but stay competitive within the region. In Thailand, available info suggests the city starts at a price equivalent to around 599,000 Thai bahts, which when converted sits comfortably below many mid-size sedans, again offering